Just to be clear, Gascon Corla, I reject the comments which are disrespectful of the Irish language and furthermore are inconsistent with the principles of the Good Friday Agreement. But I welcome subsequent comments, and indeed I welcome the clarification of the DUP leader that those who want to speak the Irish language are entitled to do so. And we must move forward, therefore, Gascon Corla, on the basis of mutual respect for respective cultures, for respective traditions. In that regard, respect for linguistic diversity, respect for the Irish language remains central to the Good Friday Agreement. And the principles of partnership, equality, mutual respect, the goal of reconciliation that I'm sure everybody in this House wishes to see advance progress on. These are at the core of the Good Friday Agreement. They must be upheld by all parties through the political process. And I wish to assure the Deputy that I will continue to raise this matter with all of those I meet in the context of ensuring that all unimplemented aspects of the Good Friday Agreement and subsequent agreement are fully honoured and indeed implemented.